I'll get him. I'm gonna get him. Oh! Alright, so you know where we're going today?
Wherever it is, it better be delicious and cheap.
You like Taco Bell, right?
Yeah. We're
gonna go to the taco joint that inspired Taco Bell.
Oh, that means you're gonna be crap.
Maybe. But first we're gonna meet up with Baker X Derek.
You put diesel, right?
Diesel, yeah.
Diesel's good.
Alright, Z, to that white line. Not even close. So close. We're gonna slide into this one. I think it's raining. As usual, I'm going to give you a little history about the place that we're going to today. Mila Cafe, which was founded in 1937 by Lucille Rodriguez, opened up a taco shop in San Bernardino, coincidentally right across the street from Glenn Bell's, the founder of Taco Bell's hamburger hot dog joint. Now, this is the interesting part about the place. Glenn Bell had this hamburger joint, but he'd always peek out the window, glance across the street at Mila's Cafe, and see that that place was far more popular than his hamburger hot dog joint. So what he did was, went over there, tried out some of their food, go back to his kitchen, and try to recreate the tacos. Eventually, he just threw in the towel, went back over across the street, and asked Lucille if she could just show him how to make the tacos. And she did. Now, it wasn't long after that Mr. Glenn Bell shut the doors on the hamburger joint, went down to Downey, California, and opened up his first Taco Bell. The other cool thing about Mila's Cafe, it's the oldest Mexican restaurant in all of Inland Empire, and one of the oldest in all of Southern California. This place has been making tacos for 75 years. You know they're gonna be f***ing magical. I can't wait. That's right, share the road, look twice for motorcyclists. Well, we're in BXD territory now. We're going to his house, so probably gonna cut the video off now just so I don't expose the BXD layer. I'm gonna go ahead and time warp now, and once we pick up Baker X Derek, come right back.
Me gusta porque está linda, gusta porque está bella, gusta demasiado bella, gusta. Ay, mi niña bonita, cosita chula, cosita bonita.
Mr. Baker X Derek. We're going to this gas station. He's gonna get his sex juice. Pay with his doll hairs. Do you wanna ride a backseat?
Oh man, I just had it adjusted. It doesn't twist that way, man.
Look at that truck. How many doll hairs did you put in? 5?
5 doll hairs, big man.
Nasbach! Damn, BXD went fast. I don't think Z's even going to be able to keep up in his little 300. There he is. She's walking backwards. Why is that girl walking backwards?
You guys gonna eat a meatloaf?
Yes, sir.
So, Taco Bell originally got the taco from here.
Yeah.
Exactly,
Yeah, he
that.
was begging and begging and begging and begging.
Right there, man. So that's where Mr. Glenn Bell started his little enterprise, but it was hot dogs and hamburgers back in the day. Z, what'd you think?
Oh,
Way better than Taco Bell, huh?
I think so.
I wish Taco Bell tasted as good as this place.
Man, this place fucking makes taco queef fucking taste like assholes.
If you're in the area, or if you're a big taco fan, make the pilgrimage to Mitlas. Now we're gonna go meet up with some subscribers at the...
Yeah, made a little post saying we're gonna be in the hilltop in 20 minutes, so let's go get there.
Let's do it. Alright, X, to the line. I'm not gonna let him beat me, no fucking way. What happened, X? Whoa. Oh shit, look at that bug. Proper slug bug. Slug bug. To the white line? I'll get him. I'm gonna get him. Oh! I was in neutral! Oh my god! The gods are on Baker's side. This is slippery. Watch out, Z.
How you doing, man? Good, how you guys doing? Alright, how you doing,
What's up, dude?
How you doing?
What's up, man? What's up, buddy?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hi. Alright guys, fun day riding around with Z and X, of course. We had some great tacos, met some great people. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Later.